How to optimize Valorant loading screen. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can optimize your Valorant's loading screen. What this will do is this will fix your long waiting time, your bugs, and your overall waiting time of Valorant's loading screen. So this is how you fix it. The first thing you will need to do is head over to your C drive. So open up your C drive, and after you're on your C drive, you will need to head over to Riot Games. This is a folder that you'll get if you have installed Valorant already. Head over to Valorant after you're inside Riot Games. Again, now tap on Live, and here you will find the Valorant application. Now simply select Valorant application, right click on it, tap on Show More Options, and then tap on Properties. Now, after you find Valorant Properties, simply head over to Compatibility, and here what you'll need to do is under the settings, turn on Disable Full Screen Optimization, and then tap on High DPI Settings. Now here, select High DPI Scaling Override, and then tap on OK. After you do that, you can tap on Apply and then tap on OK. After you do that, you might want to restart your computer, and you will have optimized your Valorant's loading screen. And it's that simple, guys, and that is all for the video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.